A feast of gratitude. Celebrating Thanksgiving. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll be diving deep into one of the most cherished holidays in the English-speaking world, Thanksgiving. We'll learn about its history, significance, and how it's celebrated. Ready? Let's get started. Thanksgiving is a national holiday celebrated in the United States, Canada, and a few other countries. At its heart, it's a day of giving thanks for the harvest and blessings of the past year. While many associate it with delicious feasts and family gatherings, its origin is deeply rooted in history. The first Thanksgiving is believed to have been celebrated by the Pilgrims, early settlers from England, after their first harvest in the New World in 1621. They shared a meal with the Native Americans, who had taught them how to cultivate the land. This three-day feast was a time of celebration, gratitude, and unity between two very different cultures. Fast forward to today, and Thanksgiving has evolved in many ways, but its core remains the same. It's a time for family gatherings. Many people travel across the country to be with their families. Feasting. The meal typically includes turkey, stuffing, cranberry sauce, pumpkin pie, and many other dishes that vary from family to family. Parades. The Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade in New York City is a famous event watched by millions on TV. Football. Many watch American football games, a tradition for many households. Thanksgiving is rich in symbols, many of which you might recognize. Turkey, often the centerpiece of the feast. Fun fact: some people even pardon a turkey, sparing it from being eaten. Cornucopia, known as the Horn of Plenty, it's a symbol of abundance and nourishment. Pumpkin, used in pies and decorations. Pilgrims and Native Americans, often depicted in stories and decorations as a nod to the historical roots. While Thanksgiving is most famously celebrated in the USA, other countries have similar holidays. Canada celebrates Thanksgiving on the second Monday in October. Liberia celebrates Thanksgiving on the first Thursday of November. Grenada celebrates it on October 25th, but its origins are different, tied to the U.S. intervention in 1983. In each place, the holiday takes on a unique flavor, but the theme of gratitude remains consistent. There you have it. Thanksgiving is more than just a feast. It's a time of reflection, gratitude, and coming together with loved ones. We hope you've enjoyed learning about this special holiday and that it brings a deeper understanding of the cultures in the English-speaking world. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.